Find 25% of 0.75 kilograms. For us to answer this question, the first step, 25% is simply equal to 25 out of 100 as a fraction. Simplifying 25 over 100, this will give us the highest common factor of 25 and 100 is 25. 25 divided by 25 gives us 1 all over. 100 divided by 25 gives us 4. 1/4 is an equivalent fraction of 25%. If we take 25% of 0.75 kilograms, it is simply equal to 25 all over 100 times 0.75 kilogram over 1. That's what it means. And this is simply equal to 1/4 times, remember 1/4 is an equivalent fraction of 25 over 100 times 0.75 kilogram all over 1. This will simply be equal to 0.75 divided by 4 gives us 0.1875. 0.1875 kilograms. Therefore, 25% of 0.75 kilograms is 0.1875 kilograms. We are done with the solution of the problem. If in case you have any questions, feel free to leave your questions at the comment section. Please, if you like the video, share and subscribe to this channel. Thank you very much for watching.